For these questions, you're going to find a greatest common factor. A greatest common factor is the largest factor that each number has in common. So first we have to find the factors and then look for the largest one that they both have. We're going to use the factor meetup strategy to find all the factors. So that starts by just writing out all of the numbers. So here are the numbers 1 through 24. I'm going to start by circling 1 and underlining 24 because I know 1 times 24 equals 24. Then I'm going to go to 2. Does 2 times anything equal 24? And yes, it does. 2 times 12. So I know that 12 is now a factor, but I also know that none of these numbers can be factors. So there's just a handful left that could be factors. So let's go back to number 3. 3 times 8 is 24. So I know 8 is a factor, but I know 9, 10, and 11 are not. So let's go back to the 4. 4, I know times 6 equals 24, but that also tells me that 7 won't be a factor. So I only have one more. Can 5 times anything equal 24? And no, it can't. So I'm on 6, and I've already underlined 6, so I know I'm finished with the strategy. So the multiples of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So now let's do 36. So I'm going to start by circling 1 and underlining 36 because I know those are going to be factors. Now I'm going to number 2, and I know that 2 times 18 is 36. So we've had a long jump, and none of these are going to be factors. So go back to number 3, and I know that 3 times 12 is 36. So again, all of these will not be able to be factors as this underline inches its way closer. So for the 4, I can do 4 times 9 equals 36. So we only have a couple left that could be. So for 5 times nothing is 36. So I'm going to move to 6. And 6 times 6 equals 36. So I know that that's it. That's all of my factors because I've met up to an underline. So the factors for 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So these are all the factors of the number. Notice they have a lot of factors in common. They both have 1, they both have 2, they both have 3, they both have 4, they both have 6, but they don't both have 8. But they do both have 12. But they don't both have 24 or 18 or 36. So I see that the biggest number that they both have is 12. So 12 is the greatest common factor. Sometimes people call it GCF for greatest common factor. So you're going to write the greatest common factor on the line. All right, you try one yourself, and if you need help, you can come back and rewatch the video. Good luck!